Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today we are talking about Aston Martin DB11, this the ultimate grand tourer. But in a world of high-performance luxury coupes, does the DB11 still have what it takes to stand out? Today, we put it to the test. The 2025 DB11 is a masterclass in design evolution. It's instantly recognizable but sharper, more refined, and more aerodynamic than ever before. The signature Aston Martin grille is now even larger, flanked by sleek new LED headlights with a more aggressive look. Down the side, you'll notice sculpted body lines that channel airflow for improved stability. And at the rear, we have updated taillights and a subtle integrated spoiler. You can spec this beauty in a variety of colors: a classic racing green, liquid crimson, mint blue, or even the striking frosted glass yellow. The DB11 comes with two impressive engine choices. First, the 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8, sourced from AMG, producing 528 horsepower and 513 pounds-to-feet of torque. But if you want the ultimate experience, the 5.2-litre twin-turbo V12 is where it's at, 630 horsepower, 516 pounds-to-feet of torque, and a 0-60 time of just 3.5 seconds. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission that sends power to the rear wheels. The moment you put your foot down, this car comes alive. The V12 surges forward effortlessly, while the V8 feels a bit more playful, with sharper turn. The steering is beautifully weighted, offering precise feedback, and thanks to Aston Martin's revised adaptive suspension, the ride is both comfortable and engaging. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels every bit as luxurious as you'd expect from Aston Martin. Hand-stitched leather, real wood, and carbon fiber trims surround you. Everything you touch feels premium. But one of the biggest upgrades, the technology. Gone is the outdated infotainment system. Now, we have a modern 10.25-inch touchscreen with Aston's latest UI, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The 12.3-inch digital driver's display is crisp, customizable, and offers all the driving data you need. The seats are incredibly comfortable, with heating, ventilation, and even a massage function for those long GT drives. The DB11 offers multiple driving modes: a GT, Sport, and Sport Plus, each dramatically changing the car's character. In GT mode, it's a refined cruiser, quiet, smooth, and perfect for long journeys. Switch to Sport, and the suspension firms up, the throttle response sharpens, and the exhaust opens up. Sport Plus, well, that's when the DB11 becomes a true beast. Instant throttle response, a tighter chassis, and an exhaust note that reminds you this is still a performance car at heart. So, how much for all this beauty and performance? The 2025 Aston Martin DB11 starts at around $220,000 for the V8 and goes well beyond $250,000 for the V12. That's serious money, but what you're getting is an intoxicating blend of style, power, and luxury. It's not just a grand tourer, it's a statement. And in a world where electrification is taking over, this might just be one of the last great gasoline-powered GTs. So, is the DB11 still the ultimate grand tourer? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more stunning car reviews. This is Auto Luxury Vehicle, and we'll see you in the next one.